I am not talking about this. This is ball bearing, but I'm talking about this. Your main bearing and your connecting rod bearing. These are the bearing I'm talking about. The question is, have you ever used engine bearing before? Tell me in the comment section. I want to hear your yes or no. Today, I'm going to answer this question. Can you reuse engine bearing, or is it a guaranteed disaster? Let's break it down practically and not a textbook talk. Now, this question is very important because of what is happened in workshop. This is the thing that happen in workshop. Sometimes your bearing look okay. Sometimes because the engine does not knock before you tear it down, and because the new bearings are so expensive and sometimes they may be hard to find, so customer want to cut cost. So because of that, the temptation is there. Let's clean it and reuse it. But is that a smart move or is too risky? Let me talk about the work of the bearing in your engine so that you are going to know if you can risk it or when to reuse and when not to reuse. Your bearing does not just sit down there in your engine. What it does is that they float the crankshaft on oil. They ensure there is no metal to metal contact between the crankshaft and your con rod. So once the bearing surface is compromised, even slightly, your oil clearance change. And when your oil clearance change, it begin to affect the life of your engine. When reusing engine bearing is a no, let me tell you that. One, if you notice a scratch like this on the main bearing, if your finger can feel the scratch, then the answer is no, you should not reuse it. Two, if the copper or the bronze on the surface of your bearing is show, you can now see it, then the answer is no, don't reuse it. If heat mark like colored, the bearing has become colored, whether it is black or is dark, then you should not reuse. If there is debris of bearing on the bearing, you notice some debris on it, then don't reuse. If the bearing are spoon bearing, don't reuse. If you don't know the history of the engine, then don't you reuse the bearing. These are no. But if the engine is running fine before you tear it down and now you want to cut cost, these are exceptional cases where you can reuse your bearing. One, if the engine, when you open the engine, you do inspection and there is no fault on the bearing still look okay, then you can reuse the bearing. If you notice that there is zero wear on the bearing, there's no scratches, then you can go ahead and reuse the bearing. If you notice all oil clearance is okay, there's no low oil pressure, use plastic gauge or micrometer to measure it, and you notice that the oil pressure is okay, then the bearing clearance is okay, then go ahead and reuse it. If you notice the crank journal, the main journal remain perfect, then reuse the bearing. If you notice that same location, there's no missing cap or positioning, you don't mix it together, then reuse your bearing. So if you can afford to rebuild the engine, then you should be able to afford to replace the bearing. If you notice any slightest one or fault in your main bearing, then you need to replace the bearing. You should know that if you are reusing your main bearing, you should check for this. Check low for oil pressure. Ensure after you assemble the engine there is no low oil pressure. Check there is no rod knock after you rebuild the engine. There is no rod knock. There is no spoon bearing. There is no crankshaft damage. Then you can go ahead and reuse the engine. So the truth is this: many engine has failed because of what? Because some decide to reuse the main bearing. So you need to ensure that you don't fall into that trap. Ensure that you check your main bearing very well. If you don't see any obvious fault on it, then you can go ahead and reuse it. But should you reuse your main bearing? Technically yes, but if you notice any issue with it, the answer is no. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to follow me, and don't forget to subscribe for this channel. Tell me in the comment section if you have reused your main bearing or your current rod bearing, and tell me your experience after you reuse it. I have done that before and the engine is still running till today. See you in another video.